just having a look at these videos that Steve was making last week, you know, the food, it's making me really hungry.
Yeah.
What are you having for your tea tonight?
I don't know, I might get some inspiration from on the website Steve's videos.
Oh yeah, tell you what, the what's its mac and cheese he made is amazing.
It looked really good.
Give him a shout on the tannoy, ask him to come up and we can get some inspiration for our tea tonight.
Yeah.
Staff announcement, Stevie B chef to reception please. We need some inspiration for our tea this evening. Thank you. Yeah, well, we're just having a chat about some inspiration for our tea this evening. And we'll be looking at your videos online. I was just wondering if you have any ideas.
Irn Bru.
Oh yeah, I love a bit of Irn Bru.
I had that for years. That gives me an idea.
Really?
Listen this. Me and you in the kitchen, Irn Bru chicken.
Life doesn't get much better.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Mahdlo kitchen again. Today it's Wacky Wednesday. And Joe wants an idea for tea. So here we've got Irn Bru chicken, Irn Bru chicken. It's the future. Have a look at the ingredients over here, Joe. Show what we've got. We've got 30 ml of Worcester sauce, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 30 grams of tomato puree, half a white onion chopped, half a red onion chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 30 grams of corn flour, and if you don't know by now, we love lemon and garlic. 1 kilogram of diced chicken breast, salt, pepper, Irn Bru.
Oh, I do love a bit of Irn Bru.
Right, so we've got our chicken breast. This is a really easy dish to do. You can do it in a slow cooker, or you can do it in the oven. Got the chicken in there.
I love my slow cooker. You can literally leave it on all day and it's ready for you when you get home.
Onion. Red onion. Don't know why we call it red when it's purple.
It's Wacky Wednesday.
Squeeze a lemon. Paprika.
Is this going to be another spicy one again, do you reckon?
No, it's not spicy. It's more of like a tomato with Worcester sauce, kind of garlic. No joke, it's not spicy, I'm afraid, today.
Oh. I'll let you off this once.
Worcester sauce. Again, as you can see, it's like a one pot meal. Garlic.
We love our garlic.
Salt and pepper. And this is what's going to help thicken it up, your corn flour. Again, get that in. Good mix round.
This is where you can get your hands all messy.
Absolutely.
Obviously, if you haven't got gloves to wear, make sure you wash your hands because you're messing with raw chicken. Look at the colour change on that already.
Irn Bru time.
Oh wow. So have you done this before, Steve, with Irn Bru?
Not with Irn Bru. We've done it with other drinks like I'm sure you all may be familiar with Diet Coke chicken, or when we make the pulled pork that gets cooked in Coca-Cola. The reason I've used Irn Bru today is because our very good friends who help us out massively at First Year Manchester, we've got an abundance of Irn Bru, so just thinking of ways to use it up, just a different way.
Genius.
Thanks,
Absolutely
First Year.
genius. Thank you, First Year.
If Joe wants to get a close up of that.
Nice.
Right, again, see it's all in there now. That could also be in your slow cooker, which I'm not sure if you're all familiar with. It's just like a pot with a lid on. You switch it on, you can have low and high setting, and you can leave that for 5 hours. So if you was getting it ready for tea while you was at school or at work, the way I'm going to do it, because I've not got my slow cooker with me, I'm going to put it in the oven, and again it'll take about between an hour and a half and 2 hours, on 170 degrees. So again, something you can do as soon as you get in from school, still ready for tea, or get it ready the night before. Oil over the top.
Yeah, it needs to be covered, doesn't it?
Yeah, stop any all the water evaporating. If you left the foil off, you lose all your liquor and it just reduce. We've got some sauce left. Right, Joe wants to follow me over here to the oven.
I can't wait to see what this turns out like. So did you say 170, Steve?
I did.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put it on for 2 hours. See you in a bit. This has been in there for an hour and a half, so we're just going to check it.
Oh, it smells amazing.
So it's took on the colour of the Irn Bru and the paprika. You can see that's cooked.
Lovely lunch again.
You could have this with rice, couscous on its own, or a jacket potato. That's our very own Irn Bru chicken.
Beautiful.
Let us know what you think, any ideas, have you tried it yourselves, bang a picture underneath. Enjoy.